Okay, so the next thing the manual asks us to do is to store the caller ID numbers, and because this is a very commonly used feature, we've given it a tab on its own. So you can see the caller ID at the bottom and the little key. If we go in here, we can very simply add in phone numbers of any caller ID users that we need to have. So I'm just randomly just tapping in numbers here. Anyone who was on the original dialing list, they will need entered again in here. So the first, if there was 2 or 3 or 4 numbers on the rollover list for the intercom to call, you'll want those to have caller ID access as well. So they would generally get entered in here as well. And then hit the save button. That will send a text, and you will get a reply to say okay. So that's pretty much how you store caller ID numbers. You can save 8 at a time, 8 numbers in total. You can also hit the delete button here at the bottom to wipe out all the caller ID numbers in one go if you want, or if you want to delete out a certain number. Let's say you have a particular number you want to take out. You can just enter in, see the first number here, and just hit the delete button, and that will delete out that particular number out of caller ID.